And welcome to the Blizzard Putting Challenge. Kevin, Wendy, and I are out here. We're going to be playing a 2-round, 5-station putting game. First round, 1 point from each disc you make, 2 shots at each station. Second round, points are doubled. Let's get into it. For the losers, or reward for the winners, is 1 snowball each thrown at the losers. So let's do it. All right, round 1, 5 feet. Hopefully I get both of these. 10 feet. Oh! All right. These gloves are not helping. 15 feet. Oh! 20 feet. Oh, 2 for 2, all right. Last station, 25 feet. Oh, off the chains. Oh, in and out. All right, 5 feet for Kevin. Hopefully he makes both of these. Oh, almost chained that right. All right, I missed one of these. It's tricky. Getting used to gloves. Oh, there's that wind. It feels so close. There you go, 1 for 2 on 10 feet, back up to 15. This is much trickier with the wind and the snow. We're freezing cold. Gloves give you no feeling. You're basically throwing a snowball at the thing. Oh, just right side. Oh, adjust. Oh, just short. Back to 25. Play the wind, you gotta aim a little bit right to have a curve in there. Except the wind just died. Come on, give it the height. Last one. Oh, just off the side. All right. And Wendy's up. 5 feet. Makes the first one, makes second one. Back to 10 feet. Both Kevin and I missed 1 or 2. Let's see if Wendy does any better. There's 1. Oh, and there's 2. Wendy's in the lead right now. Back to 15 feet. Wind is very gusty. Oh, just right side chains. 1 for 2 for 15, not too bad. Oh, just short. Got to adjust for the wind. Oh, no chains needed. 1 for 2 from 20 feet. Now back to 25. Oh, a little short. Right side. See if she can make the adjustment. Oh, in and out. Good effort, good effort. Good score too. All right, after round 1, Kevin has 3, Wendy has 6, and I have 7. Round 2, final round, points are doubled. Let's get into it. All right, 5 feet. There we go. Ooh, maybe I gotta try the Chris Villa from shorter distances. Oh, maybe not, almost blew out. Oh, a little right side. Oh! Can't spin the putter. Oh, stayed in, nice. Oh, wow. Slipped right out of my hand. Oh, stayed in, very nice. Last 2 at 25 feet. Oh, off the cage. Nailed it. All right, here we go. All right, so another 14 points for me. That we get up to 21. Kevin's sitting at 3, but points are doubled in this round. First 2, that's a good start. Taking his glove off, he means business now. Oh, around and out. 1 for 2 again at that 10-foot mark. Giving us a little bit of trouble today. Back to 15, makes it. Second shot. Oh, right side. No glove, his hand must be freezing. Oh, and he nails it. That no glove might be paying off. Oh, just low. All right, last station, 25 feet. If he nails both of these, it's gonna be a game. Oh, off the top, almost hits the camera. Last one. Oh, and he nails it, very nice. All right, all comes down to Wendy. Let's see how it goes. All right, and Wendy is up. Kevin scored 12 that round, plus the 3 in the first round, that's 15. Wendy's first round was 6, so she's in good position. Let's see if she can pass Kevin. She also has a chance. She makes at least 8 of her putts to win the whole thing. And she's on pace to do so. First 3 made, first 4 made, uh-oh. Wind's kicking up a little bit, taking her time. Oh, makes it. Oh, 5 out of the first 6. All right, she's still on good pace. She needs to make 3 of these last 4 putts for the win. 2 ties it. Oh, all right, needs to make all 3. Starts with this one. Oh, 0 at 20 feet. That is a heartbreaker. Best she can do now is tie me if she makes both of these at 25 feet. Oh, makes the first one. Could you do it? Oh, by 1 putt. Oh, is this horrible backing snow? We're gonna throw a disc instead. All right, here comes the first one. Oh, just off the side. All right, Wendy got off scot-free. Oh, it's hard to make a snowball. Ugh. All right. Oh! All right. Good job, guys. Woo!